everybody. So this is a day in my life as a 12th grader and I'll be showing you guys my preparation strategies for my 12th board exam. Basically this is my outfit. This t-shirt, black t-shirt, black hoodie and these black pants. So all black and black. As you all know that board exams are coming very soon and not much time are left for the preparations, so I thought to start my revision one by one. So today I'll be listening to the lecture of geography, India, people and economy. So I thought to start my preparations by watching the one shot videos and then I will do the questions and all. So yep. And I am seeing the lecture of Digraj sir, as you all know that he is the best teacher, of course. Here I am giving you all a reminder of drink a lot of water and don't be dehydrated. So I thought to finish all the water today, but let's see if I can finish it or not. Be hydrated. उसके बाद I completed my first chapter lecture. So I have completed my geographical lecture of first chapter and I have something to show you all guys. So these are the books which I have to show you all, and these are the books of Oswal for CUET. So those who are willing to crack the CUET UG in first attempt, then Oswal books will be best for them, as I searched a lot things about cracking CUET in first attempt, which books will be best for it, and yeah, so I got the option Oswal books, and yeah, I believe that good choice of books, and the most important thing is hard work, and these two things are the only things that matters. And yep, so I got these 5 books, and this one is the English mock test paper book, and this one is question bank of English, this one is political science mock test paper, this one is history one, and the last one is geography. So these are the 5 books, and these are all of 2025 edition, and these are available on First Cry, on Flipkart and Amazon. You can get it from anywhere. I got these all from Flipkart, and yep, these are so much affordable that I got all the 5 of these books in just rupees 1200. And if you want, then I will give the links of the books in the description, and you can go there and choose any other subject which you are willing to, because I'm a humanities student, so I bought these books. And yep, there are many books for the science stream also, commerce stream also, and yep, we two will crack the CUET together. Here I am having Lotte Choco Pie as a snack, and after that I started doing the questions of the chapter I just studied. So I had watched the one shot video of chapter 1, and chapter 2 and 3 aren't coming in the exam. So now I'm gonna see the lecture of chapter 4, human settlements. I finally completed the second lecture also, and उसके बाद I sat to have अदरक वाली चाय शांति से बैठ के पीने का बहुत मन करता है, and also in ठंड it's the best thing. And if you all guys like the video, then subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, stay connected and I'll be back soon.